everybody, Jim here for MakingChips. It's so good to be here. We're at the Okuma Summer Showcase in Charlotte, North Carolina. I'm standing here with my new friend, Clinton Christian. He is the software manager at Renishaw Americas. Clinton, welcome to MakingChips. Show me what's going on here in this Okuma machine tool.
So we made these graphical user interfaces now that do everything for you. So you go to these cycles here, these screens, and we can have this set up. For any Okuma machine, you go on here, you have a drop down of all the machines available. The program builder will help you make a program. So the quick cycles are good if you're just setting one job up, but if you're setting 100 jobs up a day, you need to make a program. This will help you to write that program. It'll actually create the whole program for you. You can run every time on the same component. Program builder, you can just say measure a bore and it'll do the whole program for you.
I'm here with Randy Lewis from LNS, and he's going to tell us how the THINC Developers Group has helped them in the LNS chip conveyor system. So tell us about this screen right here.
So this screen here is basically the home page of the high pressure system.
Okay.
What we've done leveraging the THINC platform is that now we're able to actually share data with the machine tool.
So this screen is connected with your machine tool?
It is. So this controller here has a web browser in it. On the control of the machine, we're actually able to pull that screen up, which is a mirror image of that, so we can actually operate the high pressure system from the machine.
So I don't need to be running back and forth between the machine and here in order to make adjustments?
That's correct, yeah.
Okay.
The other big advantage that we have using the THINC platform is that we make this a true variable pressure system. So through a common variable on the machine tool, which you can programmatically change throughout your program, whatever value we send this as a pressure to run at, it will instantly obtain that pressure. So you can switch from tool to tool, maybe run 100 PSI, 500 PSI, 1000 PSI, and dynamically change on the fly.
Okay. I just met these two gentlemen, Edwin Gregory, the third from Southern Hot Rod LLC, and his son Edwin the fourth from Southern Hot Rod LLC. Tell us a little bit about why you came today, man.
So we came in, we're from New Orleans, and we're coming because we're buying an LB3000, and we had to come to the open house and see what everything was going on. And Hartwig has been treating us really, really good. So we're upgrading our machine, getting a bigger machine, going with Okuma, because I believe they're going to be a great partner for you.
Awesome, that's really great to hear.
So basically we put sensors in the machine that measure things like power, vibration, and strain, and we're looking at the live cutting of every tool that's cutting on the machine tool. And if you look at the screen, you can see that the tools are cutting, and we're actually reading that data in real time and determining whether tools are worn, broken, need to be changed. There's also a component which is happening right now where we actually adjust the feed rate of the machine to make sure that the tool is always cutting at its optimum power level, which makes the tool cut as fast as it can and reduces cycle time. The other thing that the software really does is it gives the customer an absolute knowledge of how good a tool is. Today, operators are simply guessing when tools are worn or broken. This software gives them an absolute figure. It says this is when it's worn or broken. They don't have to guess at that value.